Today, I am gonna play Big Wave Beach Day 3. So I said to you guys last video that I'm gonna do Big Wave Beach Day 3 today. So, and I also said the last video that if I don't finish, if I finish Big Wave Beach Day 3 fast, I will also do Piñata Party. So, yeah, let's go into it. Okay, now we're here in Big Wave Beach. And we're gonna go to level 3. There we go. Oh, what is this? Spray. Oh, I forgot about this. I forgot that there was Chomper. Just put it here. I don't know if you guys know, but my pea shooter is pretty strong now. So I'm just gonna wait for the next zombie, because the Chomper is just gonna eat that zombie. So you know what, let's go faster. I'm gonna say that Chomper is my defense. There we go. Oh, okay. I just need to put that there. Dude, they don't even need to chew? What? How is that possible? I thought Chompers need to chew, but they only chomp. I don't know if that is weird, guys, but never mind that, guys. Never mind. Okay, now it's chewing. That's not weird. But I'm just curious, like, where's the lily pads? There should be lily pads. I mean, it's Big Wave Beach, so it would be weird if there's no lily pads. And I will be weirded. There we go. That's our yeah, whatever that is, guys. So let's just wait. I mean, like, my pea shooters can like kill almost I think 1/4 of them. Okay, guys, I'm sorry it's staying too long because oh wait, no, still chewing. Oh, perfect. Again, they don't need to chew. You know, guys, let me do this so that if it be faster. There we go. It's faster now. I don't know if you guys know, but my pea shooter can kill a basic zombie in just 4 hits. Like, how crazy is that? When a pea shooter is just level 1, they would be like, they can kill zombie with like, I think 8 hits, but now it's half of them, even though it's level 6. I think there's not much difference when it's level 2, but maybe it will be a lot different. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut this part, guys, because it's very long. Okay, guys, so now we're in the final wave, and yeah, well, I'm just so confused. Like, why is there so many buckethead zombies? That's so weird. I mean, it's not weird because it's a zombie, but oh no. Oh, I think the another chomp. There we go, guys. We finished it already. So I already said to you guys that if we do this so fast, we're gonna do Piñata Party. So let's do a Piñata Party after you get this. Let's just skip it. There we go. Okay, guys, so there was an ad, and I'm not sponsored by that. So now let's just do Piñata Party. Let's click play event. There we go, guys. So this is probably the last level for the video because it's gonna take pretty long and it's gonna take up all my space in my phone. Even though I'm so careful about it. I don't know why, but it's just my personality. Okay. Okay, this is staying long. Oh, okay. That's nice. That's nice. There's some pea shooters again. Where's this? Oh, it's that. Okay. I didn't know that. Come on, man. I don't need to. Why are they dancing? Oh, there's that piano guy. I hate that piano guy. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I hate that piano guy. Oh. Get out of this place and don't want to see you again. There we go. I just realized that plant, like earlier, what was that called again? I don't know. But they can be pretty useful. This guy can be pretty useful. How did my pea shooter not die from that? Okay, so now my pea shooters are being like repeaters, like leveled up repeaters. Because they're many. Okay. This can be useful again. Okay, it's nice, it's nice. There's two of it. Good. No, there being three. Never mind. Three Peters are not like that. Or like there being what is that called again? Mega Gatling Pea, but it only shoots three Ps. Let's get a Mega Gatling Pea. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Hey, that's cool. Now let's speed this up. This is getting too slow. There. Okay guys, so I'll pause the game and I'm not gonna tell you why. Because it's kind of private, you know. And you know what, I'm gonna use this one. What? Oh, I was trying to like... Never mind. The Crocodile, what about this one? Bowling Ball. And... I'm pretty sure the last one is just coins. I'm gonna get the highest coins. Oh, never mind. I just got... Bro, it's so close. Like, that's what I always get. But sometimes I get the highest one. Okay, guys, so as I was saying, sometimes when I get what was I saying again? Oh, sometimes when I get some coins, it's like beside the highest coins. Like, how crazy is that? Oh, here's 1,000 again. Like, imagine when you get like the highest coins. Well, it must be like 4,000 or 2,000, and then you also get that from the quests. Bro, you already get 3,000 by that. And look at this. I only have 11,000. Well, that's kind of high, but not really, so... Okay, guys, so next video, I'm gonna do Far Future Day 2. And I'm gonna use Laser Beam too. And maybe sometime, guys, we're gonna do Deadman's Booty because... Well, never mind, guys, because I already started that. So it's not gonna be starting. Because I'm already at level 56, so... Yeah. Not gonna do that, guys, I'm sorry. So, that's gonna be it for today's video. And, guys, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I don't think that I've said share yet in my like 100 videos. I think is it? No, it's not 100 videos. It's like less than 100 videos, but near 100. So whatever, guys. Enough talking, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.